Hello guys, welcome in today's weekend crypto technical analysis, and today we're going to discuss BTC, AXS and CHZ price actions. Starting from the BTC on the daily time frame, as you can see, daily time frame started moving towards the upside. However, the bullish signal on the daily time frame hasn't been confirmed yet. At the same time, as you can see, we start printing a higher highs on the price, but the volume in here, as you can see, it started declining. So the target levels we had under 2 months support resistance number 3 was our major target. After that we had around $48,000 we reached to the target, and then after that we had around 50,000 to 51,500 levels. So we might go all the way up to $52,000 and then pullback is imminent from these areas, and this is not the place that you're going to take a long unless you are scalping. Moving on to 4-hour time frame. On a lower time frame, in the last video we had an expectation that from these levels in the last video that we're supposed to come all the way up to $43,000, because the 2-hour time frame was nearly going to confirm the bear signal. As a result, we had these 2 candles and then the setup cancelled. So at the moment, 4-hour time frame still under the bull's control, as we discussed in the previous videos. And again, as you can see in the volume, that we are declining while we kept printing a higher high structure. As long as we're going to be above the resistance number 3, 4-hour will be under the bull's control. However, breaking this resistance number 3, which is acting as a support, these resistance, all of them acting as a support, breaking this level, it's going to lead the 4-hour time frame will be under the consolidation. 2-hour time frame. On the 2-hour time frame, if you remember, we held dollar to dollar, cent to cent, and then we didn't break this level. Since we held, the bullish signal came and we got stopped out. I shared this signal via my Twitter account, and last video's analysis was cancelled and we got stopped out with a minor loss. In a 2-hour time frame, we can clearly see 1 hour, half an hour time frames heavily on bear's control. 2-hour time frame was nearly going to confirm, and as a result we took short all the way up to $43,000. However, as I said, this setup didn't work and then we went towards the upside. As you can see, the same scenario, higher time frame as well as the low time frames, the volume is declining. However, the breaking support number 1, which was acting as a resistance, 2-hour started giving us a bullish signal for the swing traders. And since then, if you're holding your position without getting fully confirmed and kicked out from the market, one could have been already up by 50% nearly spot profit. And if you're doing leverage, 10 and 5 times you did the maths for yourself. So 2-hour at the moment heavily under the bull's control. Again, this level of resistance 3 is going to be crucial. Losing this level, 2-hour time frame, will go under the bear's control. However, we've got slight room left to go all the way up to 51,000 and 52,000, where the high time frame Fibonacci 618 golden zone is, that we've been following over 2 months, that Fibonacci levels as well. And then highly likely we will see a pullback in the market. 1-hour time frame. On the 1-hour time frame, as you can see, once we broke this upper line of this resistance number 3, now as you can see, clean breakout, we went all the way, couple of hours we stuck and then retested perfectly the upper line of this, the resistance number 3, and we claimed that as a support, dollar to dollar, week to week we held, and then since then 1-hour time frame started giving a bullish signal. So 1-hour time frame heavily under the bull's control. This level is extremely important for 1-hour and 2-hour time frames. Losing this level on the 1-hour and 2-hour time frame will go to the bear's control. However, on the 4-hour time frame, if we're going to lose this level, then 4-hour time frame will be consolidation. So as you can see, we've got higher high structure here. At the same time, on a volume that you can see, we're declining. Let's move on to the altcoins. Today, a couple of hours ago, when the price was around for the CHZ 37 cents, I mentioned that keep an eye on to the CHZ, and as you can see, with this candle we came and tested the golden zone of the Fibonacci 618 perfectly. Since then we started moving towards the upside, and then since then first target met with a over 7% profit. However, right at this moment we're still pumping and we've got over 12% spot profit. And if you're doing leverage 10 times 120%, 5 times 60%, already you're in profit. However, we're targeting all the way up to over 20% spot profit. If you want to learn all this technical analysis what I'm showing, and if you want to become an independent professional trader, or you're interested in the institutional trading system, you can message me via Telegram at Magnate8, and one-on-one masterclass is available, where I'm going to teach you how to hunt these coins and how to be a profitable trader in the market. And it only takes you 5 to 10 hours to master this all. And during the course, you will learn day trading, i.e. scalping, swing, and as well as the long-term as an investor trading systems. The next signal was provided today early morning, and that was for AXS before I went to bed, that the price action was around $75 and $76. However, this signal that I shared, as soon as we broke this 0.5, the Fibonacci level, I shared with my students, and we took this signal slightly earlier, and since then we reached to our target with over 13% spot profit, with a target that we've been targeting over nearly 12%. However, the second target would give us 20%, and then the last target that I'm targeting around 25% plus spot profit. And again, if you're doing a leverage 10 times 250 and 5 times 150% profit. If you're not following me, you can follow me via Twitter, the Magnate, where I will share all these setups via Twitter. We came to an end of this episode, and if you guys enjoyed it, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.